Welcome friends, back. Today, we're checking out some powerful electric scooters and mobility options. Let's get started. Number 1. RZ1000 Dual Motor Electric Scooter. First up is the RZ1000, a powerful adult electric scooter built for speed, range, and rougher terrain. It features dual 1,600 watt motors, a 1152 Wh battery, and a claimed range of up to 40 to 50 miles, with speeds reaching up to 31 miles per hour. Self-sealing off-road tires and dual air hydraulic suspension are designed to improve comfort and durability on uneven surfaces. With dual disc brakes and electronic braking assistance, it's a serious option for experienced riders looking for extra power. Number 2. Segway Ninebot MAX G2/G3. Next is the Segway Ninebot MAX series, offering a more refined approach to electric commuting. The MAX G2 is known for its comfortable suspension, solid braking, and practical long-range design, while the newer MAX G3 pushes performance further with a 28 miles per hour top speed, dual hydraulic suspension, and up to 50 miles of claimed range. The MAX G3 also brings features like Apple Find My support and Bluetooth AirLock. It's a great choice for riders wanting technology, comfort, and everyday usability in one package. Number 3. Isinwheel GT2 Pro. For off-road performance, check out the isinwheel GT2 Pro. Its 1,200 watt motor can reach up to 32 miles per hour, while the 48V 15.6Ah battery provides a claimed range of up to 38 miles. Large 11-inch pneumatic off-road tires and front and rear hydraulic suspension help absorb bumps on uneven terrain. You also get front and rear disc brakes with EABS, app connectivity, NFC unlocking, lighting, and a 330-pound maximum load rating. It's a feature-packed scooter for commuting and recreational riding. Number 4. Vive 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter. Now for something focused on comfortable everyday mobility, the Vive 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter offers a stable 4-wheel design with flat-free tires and a comfortable swivel seat. Its speed control allows you to choose a pace up to about 3.7 miles per hour, while the battery provides up to roughly 12 miles of range per charge. It also includes a front basket, LED headlight, horn, and a removable battery for convenient charging. Plus, the scooter can separate into 4 pieces for easier vehicle transport. Number 5. Electric Mobility Scooter. Finally, when choosing between these types of electric mobility products, it really comes down to your needs. High-powered scooters like the RZ1000 and GT2 Pro are designed around speed and mixed-terrain riding, while the Segway MAX series focuses more on everyday commuting and comfort. The Vive 4-wheel scooter takes a completely different approach, prioritizing stability, seating, and convenient mobility. Whichever style you choose, always check your local regulations, riding conditions, and manufacturer safety recommendations before hitting the road. That's it for today. Like, subscribe, comment, and turn on notifications for more product reviews. Thanks for watching.